how to fix this problem in Valorant. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First, just open services, and after that scroll down until you find here VGC. Right click on it and click restart, and after that right click here, open task manager, go to startup, scroll down and make sure Vanguard try notification is enabled. If you find it like that disabled, just click enable, and now go to update, check for updates, and here just click check for updates and make sure to install all the updates that you can find here, and that's it. And then restart your PC, and don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.